In the quest for happiness, we often find ourselves searching for complex solutions when the answer might lie in the simplicity of nature. The wisdom of Zen philosophy teaches us that the secret to a happy life can be found in the metaphor of a bamboo tree. Like a bamboo tree, one can be strong and resilient while remaining flexible and adaptable. The story begins with a young man's journey to seek enlightenment from a Zen master. He approaches the master with a burning question: "Master, what is the secret to a happy life?" In response, the Zen master provides a cryptic yet profound answer: "Be like a bamboo tree." Initially perplexed, the young man inquires further, "What do you mean, be like a bamboo tree?" The Zen master takes this opportunity to share the wisdom encapsulated in the bamboo's nature. The bamboo tree, a symbol of strength and resilience, is a remarkable plant. It withstands storms and adversities with grace. It sways with the wind, but it doesn't break. This bending without breaking is the key to understanding the secret to a happy life. The strength of the bamboo lies in its ability to adapt to its environment while maintaining its integrity. It can grow in diverse conditions and yet stay true to its essence. This dual nature of the bamboo, strength, and flexibility, holds the essence of the master's teachings. Being strong like a bamboo tree means having a strong foundation of principles and values. These are the core beliefs that guide us through life, much like the strong roots of a bamboo plant. These principles keep us grounded and provide a sense of purpose. However, being rigid in our beliefs can lead to unhappiness when life's challenges and changes inevitably come our way. This is where the second aspect of the bamboo's wisdom comes into play: flexibility. The bamboo bends gracefully when faced with the force of the wind. Similarly, in life, we must be adaptable and open to change. This flexibility does not mean compromising our core values but rather finding creative solutions to navigate through challenges. Adapting to life's challenges, much like the bamboo bending in the wind, allows us to grow and thrive in diverse circumstances. This adaptability is the key to finding happiness in the face of adversity. The rigid willow may snap, but the bamboo endures. A happy life, in the wisdom of the bamboo, is not one devoid of challenges. Instead, it is a life where we embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. By being like the bamboo, we can remain strong in our principles while bending gracefully to the winds of change. The bamboo tree's teachings can be applied in various aspects of life. In our personal relationships, we can be strong in our values and boundaries while being flexible in our communication and understanding. In our professional pursuits, we can be committed to our goals while being open to new ideas and approaches. Furthermore, the secret to a happy life lies in cultivating a mindset of acceptance. Just as the bamboo accepts the changing seasons and the twists and turns of its growth, we must learn to accept the impermanence of life. Change is the only constant, and embracing it with grace can lead to contentment. In conclusion, the Zen story of the bamboo tree imparts a profound lesson on the secret to a happy life. By being strong in our principles and values while remaining flexible and adaptable, we can navigate life's challenges with grace. Much like the bamboo, we can endure the storms of life and find happiness in the process of growth and adaptation. This simple yet powerful wisdom reminds us that the secret to a happy life may be closer to us than we realize, found in the harmony of strength and flexibility, much like the resilient bamboo tree.